So since of the top features of the Xsnap 7 Pro has been leaked, let's compare the features with that of the Unihertz Tank X. There are some online rumors about a new Unihertz device coming very soon called the Tank 5 Pro, and the device was expected to be unveiled at the MWC 2026 event, but it wasn't. If I get any details about the Tank 5 Pro, I'll share with you guys. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of both devices. In this video, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.